More than 18,000 retail professionals from 500 companies worldwide packed this year's National Retail Convention, billed as the Big Show, in New York. And Ira Kalish, director of global economics at the Deloitte consulting firm, told delegates to expect slower growth in the United States over the next decade, but increased business in China and such emerging markets as Vietnam, Indonesia, Turkey, Egypt, South Africa, and Colombia.
In those countries, we'll see a very rapid rise of the middle class, and that has huge implications for global retailers and their suppliers. And if governments fail to support that transition with appropriate policies, then we're likely to have economic crises, and that's one of the risks that we face over the coming decade.
Tony Galley, managing director of VIX, an association that seeks to increase supply efficiency in the retail industry, says a good sign of a growing economy is a second family car in high-growth countries such as Brazil.
Same is true for the ability to entertain themselves, home entertainment, looking for vacation getaways, that sort of thing, and all the spending that is associated with a more affluent family.
A prime concern for retailers is the security of employees, inventory, and investments. Jacques Baer, an executive with the French electronic payment company Ingenico, says emerging countries seeking stable economic growth must guarantee security.
If you say security, that means that foreign investors are not eager to come so easily, so it needs to be stabilized first, and so that foreign investors can come to these countries and develop retail structures and retail networks.
Ira Kalish at Deloitte says countries with younger demographics, particularly in the Middle East, Africa, and India, will likely draw retailers over the next decade. Jacques Baer agrees, adding that literacy levels and honest judicial systems are important elements of growth. He says the single most important factor in retail and payments is the intangible of trust, the feeling that neither the buyer nor the seller will be cheated in commerce. Peter Fedynsky, VOA News, New York.
Next spinner.